Hey, welcome to another Flarecourt Media Video Gear Thing. I'm Jason, and today I want to show you my ultimate portable video recording setup. Now, normally when I'm in the studio or out in the field recording something I care about, I use my Fuji cameras. Now here I have my Fuji X-T3 with a small rig cage with a Rode video microphone on it and some portable lighting. And this is something that I might take when I want to go out in the field and do some recording. However, you can see it's pretty bulky. It's not as bulky as some setups that other people have, but it definitely requires taking a bigger bag and being more concerned about setup time and making sure everything's packed away safely. I've been wanting to figure out a way to take this, which gives you log recording, it gives you microphone in, so you're not relying on the camera's microphone, it gives you a shoe for lighting. I want to take all of this and shrink it down into something that is one-handable carrying when you're packing it. And I think I finally found the ultimate solution. It required getting this package here from Small Rig that I've been waiting for about 10 weeks. But before we get into my ultimate small setup, I want to tell you that this is an experiment video for a different video I'm currently recording. I am currently filming with a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the reason for that is because I wanted to see if it was possible to use only the Note 20 Ultra from start to finish to create a YouTube video. So if you want to see the results of that test, I'm going to have that video linked right up here. But now let's get back into my ultimate setup. So the first thing is, this is a GoPro 9 box. Came with my GoPro 9. I love that they got away from the non-recyclable packaging and gave you something that's actually useful when they ship it. So I've got that. And in here, you can see I've got a handful of things. And the key to this, for me anyway, is the Sony ZV-1. Now this is a little point-and-shoot camera that's specifically focused on vloggers. So the video quality of this is excellent. It's got good microphones if you don't want to use a portable microphone. It has a little windsock that you can put up here and help block the wind from the built-in microphones. It's got fully articulating screen. It has microphone in as well as HDMI out, and you can charge it for a little while at least while it is running. So you can get some excellent run times out of it. Not to mention the batteries are nice and small. There's 4 of them right there. Doesn't give you a whole lot of runtime, but they're cheap and easy to carry around. So on top of that then, it does have one hot shoe mount, allowing you to put a light on it, which is also necessary for this setup. So this is the LumaCube Panel Mini. I did a review about this before. I love this little thing. It's nice to carry with me. And that can just go right there in the hot shoe mount. And there you go. However, now I've taken away that hot shoe mount. So if I wanted to use if I wanted good microphone quality and it's windy, I can no longer put the windsock on because that slips into the hot shoe mount. So you're relying on now, you know, a lavalier mic or something like that. So I have the Rode Wireless Go. So you clip one to your lapel. This one would then clip nowhere. You don't want it just dangling off. Imagine there's a tripod here or something. Dangling off because, you know, that can cause the plug to come loose and then your audio recording is bad. So I was stuck at that juncture for quite a while. How do I take this into this? And finally, Small Rig came up with what I hope is the solution. Now, I've been waiting for this for 10 weeks at least, if not more. I ordered it the moment I saw that it was available. They were advertising it long before it was available. So I put myself on the watch list and waited. And then finally I ordered, and then it was back ordered for 5 weeks. And then it had to go through customs because it came from China. So this is a cage specifically for the Sony ZV-1. And the reason I care about that is the fact that it has another, let's see, it has another cold shoe mount on the bottom, so you can attach the microphone down there. Of course, you might run into some clearance with your tripod. So what you can end up actually doing is, I have a couple spares of these cold shoe mounts. They just screw in, and you can screw it on right here and have multiple cold shoe mounts on this little setup right there. It just slips on. It uses compression to lock onto the phone. It's got that ring right here that, I'll show you again. It's just got a ring that slides onto the camera right there. And then we'll tighten that down. Okay, so that seems pretty secure. It's beautiful because it still gives you access to all of the doors over here. It does also, yes, give you access to the battery and the SD card slot. Big plus. Of course, once you put maybe a tripod mount on here, I suppose maybe you could line one up here. And that way the door is still open, because that's another problem. The built-in tripod screw, if you have a quick release like this onto that built-in screw, it covers up the battery door and you can't open the door without taking this off. So yeah, so you can put this right here, still access that cold shoe and still open your door. So this is going to be wonderful. I'm going to strip one of these from here for now. Oops. Just going to put it over here down here on the bottom. All right, let's put this on. And then the light. And then the microphone can now go, hopefully, right here, with still access to the microphone port. Yes. There we go. And then this would sit on one of my tripods, which I'm currently using. So with this, I feel I've created the ultimate portable video recording setup. This is more or less equivalent to this. Obviously, you're going to get a lot more features, a lot more recording capability, interchangeable lenses. Like I said, the whole point is I now have squeezed all of this into a box this size. Just to prove it, I'll tear it down real fast and fast forward. Done. So this is a quick little fun video. I just wanted to show you what's capable with the SmallRig and the Sony ZV-1 and that Panel Mini Cube. That's going to do it for this episode. If you appreciated this video or at least found it entertaining, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It's going to help other people find my video. And then if you want to see more content creator focused videos like this, like what's possible as a mobile vlogging content creator, as well as photography and video editing, all that stuff, or whatever videos where I kind of go out and do some jobs or look at stars, things like that, then please consider subscribing. And if you click that bell, you get notified the instant that I release a new video. But until next time, I'm doing what I love. Keep doing what you love. Thanks for watching. Though there is always this that could give it a run for its money.